Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I was kind of digging the 1-minute recipes, so I figured I would try a 1-minute microwave pizza with just 4 ingredients, basically 4 ingredients. And I got it from, her YouTube channel is Emma's Goodies, and she was really excited about her pizza, so I wanted to try it. Basically, you're making the dough out of flour and milk. You want to use self-rising flour, and if you don't have self-rising flour, you just add, it's 1/3 of a cup of flour. So to the 1/3 of a cup of flour, you would add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Is that right? Baking powder. I'm sorry, baking powder. And a pinch of salt. So if you don't have self-rising flour, you can still make this, and we'll see how it comes out overall. And then you're going to use between 2–2.5 tablespoons of milk. That's going to be your dough. As far as your toppings go, you're just going to use pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce, whatever kinds of sauce that you have. I'm using diced tomatoes because I like diced tomatoes, and I figured I could throw a little bit of spice on them. And then you want to use some mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. That's what Emma recommends. So we are going to just try her recipe and see how it comes out. So we start first by mixing our dough that has the baking powder in it and the salt. And she said to start with just 2 tablespoons of milk and then add an additional ½ tablespoon based on the consistency of what you have for pizza dough. So we're going to add our flour. And then I'm going to add all but what I think is about a ½ tablespoon of milk. Spoon it all over. That's probably just about all of it, and we just give that a mix. And you're kind of getting a pizza dough consistency. Kind of got like a little pizza dough going on here. And it's balling up like pizza dough usually does. Now this is like a little bit strange because usually you're using like yeast and you have to knead it, but not with this. Alright, so we got the pizza dough kind of set here. It's just balled up on there. And I got a piece of parchment paper ready to kind of roll this out. I thought if I ripped it off early, it wouldn't like roll up. I gave myself very limited space here. Alright, so take the dough, and we're just going to form the dough. It's a little sticky. I probably could have used a little bit less milk or a little bit more flour, but that's alright. Make it work. Oh, this is super sticky. Alright, so it's not the perfect round pizza shape, but it will do. Alright, good as it gets. And then we want to just poke some holes in the dough. That's about as many as I saw her do. And then we're going to go ahead and add our sauce, or in my case, my saucy diced tomatoes. And she said go ahead and put your sauce right up to the edge of the, we'll call it pizza crust, because it doesn't obviously bake or brown like it would in the oven because it's going to be in the microwave. Okay. This does go in the microwave twice. The first time without the cheese so that the cheese doesn't melt ahead of the rest of it cooking. Alright, I think that looks about right. I like my pizza saucy. So we will put this in the microwave. The first time it goes in the microwave, it goes in for 40 seconds. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, I want to add some spices. So we'll add a little bit of oregano, some basil, and some Italian seasoning. I'm excited. Hopefully this works, Emma. And no cheese yet. Alright, so 40 minutes in the microwave, or 40 seconds in the microwave. Go! And it's done. See what we got. Well, it's steaming. That's what we have so far. Oh, it's kind of doughy. Okay. Now to this, we're just gonna add our mozzarella and Parmesan mixture. And I would assume that you can add pepperoni, mushrooms. I hope this is good. Okay. That looks like enough cheese. We have our spices. Now this goes back in the microwave for an additional 35 to 45 seconds. So I'm just gonna go the whole 45 seconds because why not? And go. And it's done. Let's see what we got. Alright. Well, it looks like a pizza. It's not brown like a pizza, but Emma said that. So we're just gonna let this cool off for a second, and then we'll try it. All right, we'll get our handy dandy pizza cutter out, and we'll just cut this. Maybe it'll speed the cooling process. My pizza is a little misshapen, but that's okay. It's okay. It's gonna taste the same anyway. It's too hot. I probably could have flattened my dough a little bit more, but that's okay. That's still kind of hot. So give that another minute. I will pick up while I'm waiting. Okay, guys. Let's check this out. So this is 1 minute microwave pizza. Well, it's like a minute and a half, but still, I mean, still fast. It's not bad. I'm starting to dig these 1 minute recipes. I mean, for a snack. Try it again. Oh, I got cheese on my lip. That's really not bad. It's really not. To throw that together for like a little snack, I guess. It's good. Would I make it again? Yeah, I probably would. I don't know. You guys should give this a try. If you do, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Yeah, and if you liked this video, just hit the thumbs up. And thanks for watching, guys.